guys, welcome back to part 8 in this transformational series as I continue working on my VWT3. So following on from the previous episode, started the week by painting some of the more rougher areas with this black Huduron, also known as Blackson. It's coming along. I've ended up doing this today, fiberglass. That's all been done. I've also put some more mastic here and here. Got this sort of vash up for the rain, and then I've also done some work here today, given that a coat of fiberglass as well. Still, unfortunately, it's wet though because of the rain. So day 49 today in the garage. Didn't get a huge amount done yesterday. I had it once again, but it left me to go and start doing another job. But I've been told 100% that he's going to be counter-attacking it today. So just heading back now to the garage. Let's see what happens. I actually only really think there's probably a day's work there now to put the mastic on and pretty much button everything up, ready to put the kind of primer on, but I could be wrong. I don't know. Let's see. Afulus kilp. La kilba afulus. Ah. Afulus. Ah, look. Linda. Ah. So this is the second bumper that I'm working on today. I'm going to sand the whole thing. This has been painted once before. I'm going to sand the whole thing down once again. So that's going to look, in the end, going to come to this. So this has been completely sanded down all the way, and I've painted it with Interlude. I'll then give it a quick sand again before I will paint with Blackson. Same as this piece. Goes on the back. So I had to strip all of this off because I didn't wait for the Interlude to dry. So I'm just finishing now, stripping off paint. I've applied it in the wrong way. We are now. The mastic is more or less complete the whole way round. We're kind of just filling the extra little bits that need to be done, but the whole mastic's been done. We've got I've had to repaint these, so 1 and 2 have now had the undercoat. I've actually done it with anti-Aourir because, yeah, basically there was a little bit of rust, so that's all been done. This is Blackson here, so this is like a different texture. Maya, stop it. She wants to come out. And then, yeah, I've got to do some work a little bit here and here to get the lines going. And then we're going to paint the lower side with this Blackson Goudron. It's like protection against the rust. And then, yeah, pretty much it's just a case of going around now, sanding it all down, ready for the final coat of mastic, or the finishing they call it. We're getting there, in a sense, we're getting there, but it's just, everything just takes so long. Like literally, every time I think, oh, I'm not that far away, like people, my dad said to me today, how much longer? I was like, I don't know, because yeah, I'm just keeping at it. I've just given a coat of paint to my bumpers, a bit of Blackson there to protect them. I'm just here walking along the beach. This where I am is actually where the old market used to be. Added a bit of this to this skir stuff. It's basically like a hardener, which is going to help with this Blackson when I'm putting it on the paint, because before, as you see, it was all just peeled off. So day 56, let's go. Maya, aski.
Maya, yes. Maya. Maya.
Maya, c'est gentil, hein?
Maya, ouais, moi je ouais.
C'est gentil.
Maya, tiens là, ouais. Maya, Zwina.
Ah, Zwena.
Zwina.
Saftek.
Safti.
Safti. إبراهيم معلم.
Maya.
إبراهيم مزيان، ها؟ مزيان.
وهذاك.
رمضان مزيان.
وهذاك رمضان.
كل شيء مزيان.
وهذاك رمضان.
الحمد لله.
مزيان. توا رمضان مزيان.
سيم مزيان سيم.
مزيان.
مزيان. معلم وهذاك. الحمد لله. رمضان.
وهذاك.
الحمد لله. اسكي. سير الله.
اسكي.
Got the side door off to really get inside and clean out a lot of the inaccessible areas. Started working with the grinder. We're going to go through now and get it all cleaned up and painted all with anti-Aourir. update where we are. The finition now, we've covered all the way around one side to here and this door. So we've got that little bit to do in the back, and that is all of the finishing, which is basically a mastic that goes over the main coat of mastic, and it basically is like the final part before the what's called the premier kush, the primer. We've got no side door at the minute. I took that out today because I wanted to clean inside here, which I've got a tiny bit left to do before I'll paint all this potentially red, give it a little bit of a sand. So, and the same on that side. Maya's just decided that that's where she's at the minute. مزيان ها؟ دوها مزيان. يلا سير يلا. ابراهيم واحد، ابراهيم جوج. Mastic is done. We're now ready pretty much for one last bit of sanding before the primer, and we're going to be potentially in the painting booth in the next few days. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Much love.